In this video, I'll show you how to calculate the average of a range in Excel. In our example, we have a company's quarterly sales figures for the years 2018 to 2021 and want to find the average in each year and the average in each quarter across the 4 years. One way of doing this is to calculate the average manually using a calculator, but a quicker way is to use Excel's average function. As shown, this works by first typing equals average and then entering which cells you want to find the average of. Note that average will return the arithmetic mean. In other words, Excel will find the total of the cells in an array and divide this by the number of cells. Let's give it a try. So starting with the average for Q1, we will type equals average, open brackets, and then select all of the cells in the Q1 column. We can then close brackets and click enter. As you can see, Excel has returned the average, which is £148,000. Now we can input the same formula manually for the following years to find their averages. A quicker way, however, is to select the bottom right-hand corner of the cell containing the average formula and dragging it across to the remaining cells. This has automatically adjusted the columns we want to find the average of. For example, for Q2, it is now finding the average of the cells in column D. For Q3, it's finding the average of the cells in column E, and so on. Now, to find the average sales in a given year, we can follow the exact same process as we used earlier. So we type equals average, open brackets, and then select the cells we want to find the average of. We can then close brackets and click enter. Therefore, the average sales in 2018 were 155,000. This time, instead of toggling the cells to the right, we can toggle them down to apply the average formula to the remaining cells. Once again, this has adjusted the cells we want to consider. So that's how you can use the average function to calculate the arithmetic mean in Excel. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to the Excel Hub for weekly Excel tutorials, techniques, and examples.